I know Papa's gonna be rushing to the house.
Are they done already?
Well, they've been doing them for the last about 20 minutes.
No, they just lit one. My camera was completely in the wrong spot, bro.
They just ran from the firework because they were starting to send ones around them.
Nice. I'm gonna post this, but I'm gonna have to add a song so they don't hear us talking. Should have been out here this whole time, but we oh. The frick? Those don't go very high in the air, huh?
Chloe's right behind us doing the same thing.
You watching it?
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful. You know that was expensive.
Mm-hmm.
All of these are probably like, they probably spent like $100 for like a couple, like one or two, and then like.
Pretty sure that they probably spent a couple thousand.
Yeah, for all of them, but like, I mean, for like one of them, they probably spent a couple hundred.
That's badass. Where's my phone at anyways?
Yeah, we gotta go in a few minutes to help Papa. Apparently, if the video's longer than a minute, then you make money. Because I'm pretty sure most of the videos I post, the videos I have posted, aren't longer than a video, or a minute. So that's why I haven't been making any money. This is 3 minutes right now. I just gotta cut out the us talking. I don't have to cut it out, I just add a song.